English speaking course. Situation 1. Who do you love most?
We will work in pairs now, right? Yes. The teacher told us that we should complete this worksheet in 20 minutes. All right. But it's a bit boring. But we need to finish it. If not, we will get a bad score. Bored. How many people are there in your family, Kate? There are 4. There are my parents, my younger sister, and I. So, who do you love the most? Basically, I love all members of my family. But maybe my grandma. But she doesn't live with you, does she? Where is she living now? She also lives in New York. We always visit her on the weekends. Maybe some evenings on weekdays as well? Oh, wow. Why do you love her the most? I don't know. She always takes care of me and my sister. I really love her dishes, especially pancakes. It is the best pancake I have ever eaten. If you visit my house, I will ask her to make it for you. Oh, I love pancakes. Your grandma is so great. How about you? How many people are there in your family? And who do you love most? My family just has 3 people. My parents and me. I really want to have a younger brother. But, it depends on my parents. Actually, I love my mom most. You don't have grandma or grandpa, do you? Yes, I have. But they are living in Canada. I just visit them twice a year. Oh, you must have missed your grandparents, don't you? Yes, my dad always makes a video call with them in the evening, so I can still talk with them, every day. So, why do you love your mom most? She is pretty busy, but she always spends time with me. This weekend, we are going to go on a picnic in the park, which is close to my house. Do you want to join? I'm not sure. I'll ask my mom. Great! Can you ask your grandma to make pancakes for us? I'm really curious about it. Sure, if I can go, but I think we should keep it a secret. Why a secret? Why? That is who we love the most. If the other families know that, they will not be happy at all. Oh, I got it. I will keep it under wraps. Promise.
Situation 2. My sister is the best. Hi, Jane.
Hi, Linda. I'm going to have lunch at the canteen. Do you want to go with me?
Great.
What a nice shirt. Where did you buy it?
I bought it during our vacation last summer.
Where did you go?
I visited my elder sister's house.
Wow, your sister doesn't live with your family, does she?
She moved to California last year. She has her own business there, so it's more convenient for her to settle down there.
Your sister is a star. I really want to go to California one time, but I haven't had a chance yet.
You should try once.
Sure. Can you tell me more about your trip? I think it was extremely exciting.
I stayed in my sister's home for 1 month, so I have a lot of time to find interesting destinations.
Which do you like the most?
She lives in Los Angeles, so we went to Disneyland.
Oh my God! That's the dream of everyone.
Yes, it's pretty crowded. I took some photos if you want to see them.
Yes, of course.
But unfortunately, there isn't a Music Days parade that Disneyland hosts every year around the spring season.
You can come next spring. Your sister is living there, no worries.
I know, but she is pretty busy. Oh, I miss her so much. She always takes care of me very carefully.
Do you usually call for her?
Yes, I always try to call her once or twice a week.
When my brother had a business trip to Italy, I also missed him.
Luckily, he didn't move there. Yeah, I think she is the closest person to me and my family. She always teaches me many needed skills. I like to confess with her as well. I cannot talk with my mom as I do with her. One day, we drank and talked about our dreams overnight.
Really?
Yes. She is the one who knows all my secrets.
Okay,
So I think I should contact her. How dare you?
can I see more photos?
You and your sister? Okay, let me show you. Situation 3. One of my best friends.
Hello, Maze.
Hi, nice to meet you. Can I know your name, please? I haven't learned your name.
I'm Anne. How about this school?
Oh, it's great.
In your introduction, you said that your family lives in San Francisco, right?
Yes, but we are planning to move here. My father's company is here.
Great. When you move here,
Don't forget to invite me to your housewarming party. Absolutely. What about your family?
we live 10 minutes driving away from the school. My family consists of 4 members: my parents, my brother, and me. My mother is a teacher at a primary school. My father is a businessman in my family's company. My brother is younger than me, and he is 7 years old.
So many details. So, who is the one you love most?
Actually, I love all my family members, but my mom is the one I love most.
She is the closest person to me and my family. Why?
My mother is very caring, and she loves me very much. She is like one of my best friends.
Your mom is a teacher, so she must be very busy, right?
Yes, but she always spends time with me.
You are so lucky.
Yes, I think so. I can talk about everything with my mom. My mom always stands by my side and tries to understand me.
I also wish my mom was here with me, not in London.
Don't be sad. She will return home soon.
That's my dad's car. See you tomorrow.
Bye. See ya.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.